Can you actually make money on stash? This is a question that's been on the minds of many people who are looking to invest their money. Some say it's a great way to start investing, while others claim it's a scam. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Stash and see if it's a legitimate platform for making money. What is Stash? Stash is an investment app that makes it easy for people to start investing, even with small amounts of money. It offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and bonds. The app also provides educational resources to help users understand investing concepts. How does Stash work? To start using Stash, you need to create an account and fund it with your money. Once your account is funded, you can choose from a variety of investment options. Stash offers a smart portfolio feature that automatically invests your money based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. You can also choose to invest in individual stocks or ETFs. The benefits of using Stash. There are several benefits to using Stash. First, it's a very accessible platform. You can start investing with as little as $5. Second, Stash offers a variety of investment options, so you can find something that suits your needs. Third, the app provides educational resources to help you learn more about investing. The drawbacks of using Stash. While Stash offers many benefits, there are also some drawbacks. One drawback is that Stash charges a monthly fee. Another drawback is that the investment options on Stash are limited. Is Stash a scam? No, Stash is not a scam. It's a legitimate investment platform. However, it's important to understand that investing involves risk. There's no guarantee that you'll make money on Stash. How to make money on Stash? If you're looking to make money on Stash, there are a few things you can do. First, you need to have a long-term investment horizon. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Second, you need to be patient. It takes time to build wealth through investing. Third, you need to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Real-life examples of people who made money on Stash. There are many people who have made money on Stash. One example is a young professional who started investing with just $5 a month. Over time, her investments grew, and she was able to use the money to pay off her student loans. Another example is a retiree who used Stash to supplement his income. By investing wisely, he was able to generate a steady stream of income. Tips for success on Stash. Here are a few tips for success on Stash. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Invest regularly. Make a habit of investing a small amount of money each month. Be patient. Don't get discouraged if your investments don't perform well in the short term. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stay informed. Keep up to date on the latest news and trends in the financial markets. Stash is a great way to start investing, even with small amounts of money. However, it's important to understand that investing involves risk. There's no guarantee that you'll make money on Stash. If you're willing to be patient,